Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Quick update here about the wave count. So Chainlink is still in this overall reversal area. Yeah, anybody who's been with More Crypto Online since end of last year, you will know that I forecasted here exactly these price levels when we were back in October, November. So when we were still around 25, maybe $30. We talked about the possibility of a $6 Chainlink, unimaginable at the time. We have come down exactly into this yellow region, located between the 88.7% FIB level and the 78.6% FIB level. I don't know how much in the last 8 months, until we finally reached that area. I've been talking about the 88.7% FIB level. I talked about it so much that I even was dreaming about this FIB level. But we have reached it at $6. We even broke briefly below it, but we recovered it from it very quickly. So what I want to communicate here is that Chainlink could be in this reversal area, in this reversal space, in this current trend change. It's too early to really confirm that, because unless we finally break out of this yellow area and break out of this yellow box and this above the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level, which is located at $11.30. Until then, things are a little bit unclear. I mean, at the absolute minimum, Chainlink needs to break out above the wave 4 high here, that structural resistance, which is at $9.63. It hasn't done that yet. And there is no reason for concern. It just means it finally needs to do it to be more confident in the bullish wave count here. So far it's all looking good. We start to reverse. We reacted nicely to the 88.7% FIB level here at $6, and we are moving up. Okay, but there are two possibilities here. So one possibility is that this is just a correction still, that maybe this wave 4 never finished. So we have the wave 4 here, and will come down once more in the wave 5. Absolutely possible. So you would label it basically the wave 4 up here, then we get that wave 5 down here, and that would then the completion of the higher level wave 2. Now at the moment, we can be carefully optimistic, because we have started to move above key resistance levels here, and because we can count these subwaves as impulsive. Okay. So the bearish possibility is still there. It's absolutely still valid, especially as long as we are below this wave 4 high, and as long as we are in the yellow area, because in here we can spend quite a lot of time. Okay. Now the other option is that we have here a wave 1, a wave 2, another 1, 2, another 1, 2, and at the moment we could possibly count this as a 3 and we would come down in a 4, but this might become another 1, 2 pattern, and then it is starting to get unrealistic at some point. So either it will become super bullish, because with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 patterns, I mean that's still possible, but as soon as you get another one, it will then get really difficult. And because it just gets too unrealistic, if you have 4 or 5 1, 2 patterns, it just means this chart is supercharged. It's coiling up potentially for the big move, but then something needs to happen, okay? And that would be super bullish. But until something happens, it is sort of an unknown factor here. It just means if we see the bullish breakout with 4 1, 2 patterns, for example, you will look at very, very high prices, and it can move a lot. For now, I keep this on the chart as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and this could still be a 3, 4, and then we would still wait for another wave 5 to the upside. This is possible to count as a 3, 4, as long as we stay above $8.28. If we go below that level, and we're not far away from that, then it will become another 1, 2, because we're getting into the price range of the wave 1. And to be fair, I mean, if we take a look at this, we have currently come down. All right, we are nearly at the 50% FIB level anyway. So a move below 828, 825 would also break below the 50% FIB level. That is for a wave 4 unusual anyway. So I've got the feeling we might see here another 1-2 setup, and then it's getting a bit problematic. Especially we also broke out of this wedge to the downside. Now that's not a problem. Wedges don't really exist in Elliott wave. They are more something that the pattern traders like to use, and it's a very valid way, but yeah, I don't really, we don't want to pay too much attention to that. This is currently still sort of working out bullish, but we need to break, and that's an absolute must. Chainlink must go quickly above this wave 4 high, yeah, and that would be the next level. And then if we get above that level, it could take us to the next resistance, which is here the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level at around $11.35, and then we can move higher, okay, from there. And then it makes sense to really talk much more detailed, yeah, and optimistic about the bullish scenario. At the moment, it's still a bit of an unknown here, even though we are on the right track. Okay, and that's currently my view about Chainlink. So hopefully you have the, hopefully you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And for both, you can find the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.